if you ever wanted to use your GoPro as your dash cam, then this is how you can do it. So I was wondering how to do that, and then I did some experiments, and then I could manage to record videos using GoPro. So what I did was I used the casing or the cover which comes with the GoPro, as well as the sticker which comes with GoPro, and then there is the attachment which basically gets inside that casing. So basically you can attach your casing or cover with that small attachment, and then I just sticked it with the sticker, and then the recording could be done. So these three are easily obtainable from Amazon, or it comes with your GoPro when you order any other accessory with GoPro, for example the hand grip. So once you have that, you can insert or take out the GoPro from that casing. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. You can support this travel and exploration YouTube channel by subscribing to it and sharing it with your friends and family. Thanks so much for watching.